Hi guys, I am back to pester you with another video. It's been a while. It's been a while since the last time I posted. I think the last video that I made is when I'm cooking nilagang bulalo, and that's like a month ago. But now because we have a lot of time in our hands, I want to make a video about how to make your own face mask, which I also got ideas on other YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do that. And I have 3 patterns to show you on how to make one. So we have Watson right there to keep me entertained. You know, he always wants to be part of the video. Okay, so I have 2 different mask type here. This one, of course, it's for woman, teenager, and this one is for men. So I made one for my husband. Hi Watson, what are you doing? Are you trying to help mommy? Yeah? Or you're just gonna sit there and bark at other dogs or other people coming by? We are currently here in our dining area. As you can see, it's messy because this is where I'm doing the mask. I have at least 5. I made 5 masks already. This is the first design that I made, which is kind of a bit of a rush. So I'm just gonna redo it and use the elastic for a much better mask. So here are the patterns that I use to make the mask. We have here for teenagers and women. We have 2 kinds of patterns right here, and we have men, and this one is 9 by 6 inches to make this kind of mask. And then we have here from YouTube, Anjurisa. This kind of pattern is gonna make a different kind of mask, I guess. So here are the materials that we need. First is the sewing machine, some threads. It depends on the color of your fabric. And we have here our cotton fabric with different patterns and design. You can also use old clothes for your face mask. It's totally up to you. We also need an underlining for your mask. And don't forget your scissor. And here we have our mask patterns that you can get in any site. Some elastic. This is optional, but I use an iron. And of course, if you have any fur babies, it's totally optional. Then you're gonna sew the fabric together around the curve. Next, we're gonna put the underlining and the fabric together, right side. you're gonna turn the fabric to the right side as showing. Again, this is totally optional, but I ironed my fabric before proceeding to the next step. And then we're gonna fold the excess side of the fabric and sew it together. This is where your elastic's gonna go through. Here I measured my elastic 19 centimeters. And here I use a safety pin to put the elastic to the side of the mask. Next, we're just gonna sew the elastic together. Just hide that part and you're done. And there you have it. Our DIY face mask. Really cute. I really like flowers. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to wash your hands, stay safe, and stay home.